Look at that old wasp in December. It's rare to see them this time of year. Watch that wasp, it might sting you. What the hell do wasps want from me? Wasps are the skinheads of the insect world. Wasps are the neo-Nazis of the insect world. I'm only messing, that's nature's way of telling us to be aware of the wasp. I got stung once when I was only 4 years of age. I will never forget the pain I went through. Don't stereotype me as Vincent van Gogh. Don't stereotype my friend as a poet. Don't stereotype me cause I'm walking down the street with a guitar. But most importantly, watch the wasp on your way.